What's up, Beaver Gang? Today we got the TRX6 hauler here, and we got the Traxxas 2021 Bronco. And today we are going to pull this winch off this truck, and we're going to put it on here with the Traxxas supplied winch mount. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, got the body off. Now let's pull that bumper and get that pulled off. Alright guys, we got all the hardware pulled out of the bumper. We've got all the electronics disconnected. Boom. Yeah. Stay tuned.
I don't know much about stuff. So that would be, but it'd be fun to kind of go through them all and do some refurbishing, cleaning up. Because I imagine if you clean them to you, that they're in a state of either dirty or disrepair at least. So I say you should get it up to 7.
Ready, one more step.
I can get it up to 7. Going all out. The only problem is time this time. Because
Big step. Big step.
time, I have a lot of commitments in this plan. Does it have to remain 4x4?
Boom.
Nothing's screwed yet. Got some rule bending. Get some rule bending. Now, I did write this. Do the rules preclude
Boom. Perfect. Now we'll just bolt the winch to the winch plate, and then bolt that to the truck, and then wire it up. And we'll be golden. Then we'll probably figure out how to wire up this RC four-wheel drive light bar to the back of this. I think that'd be a nice addition. Alright, Beaver Gang. We got the winch plate bolted down to the winch. Now we're going to run the electrical through the little hole. Let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I can drop it in the hole. Oh, check that out. I did it. Alright, yeah, so now we're going to mount that. We're going to run the electrical, plug everything in. We got to pull this little plate off the back side of here so we can mount the antenna for the winch. Using a Loctite on the screws so the hardware doesn't come loose out in the trails when we're using the winch. It should help keep everything tight. Oh boy. Little by little, we are getting there. Stay tuned. Alright guys, now we're going to disconnect this factory wire from the factory, and we're going to use this Y adapter that they come
We'll put it in the right way though.
included in the with the winch. So that goes there. The winch goes there, and then lights go there.
Red to red. And to the winch. And red. Just gonna run the antenna.
Alright, we're just going to pull this channel off right here, and then go with the winch controller, which is probably out in the other room. Stay tuned, guys. Alright. Now we're going to pull this little cover off. It goes in the inside of this roll bar.
Bunch of wires in there.
Yep.
That's so nicely done.
That's the wires for the top of the lights right here.
Look at that. Nice
Yep.
and zip tied.
Now we just need to drop our antenna into that channel, run it up as far as possible.
Poke right up the top.
Oh, that's going to be nice. And put that right back on there like it never happened.
Maybe.
Somebody was using their noggin when they thought of that. That's genius. Alright, we're going to put the hardware into that, and then we got the winch controller right there. We're going to plug it in here in a second, and we're going to give her a run for her money. Alright guys, he's putting the hardware into there. We got the battery plugged in. She's on right there. Let's see. Yeah, she's alive. Take that.